And I'm an idiot, and I forgot to get you a headset. So it's going to be a little loud for you. I'm sorry.
Okay. I didn't bring my headset either, so.
Well, no, I meant to grab a headset from Sporty's, one of these.
Is it like unbearably loud or just?
No, it's not unbearably loud. But it is loud, that's for sure. Especially this one. This is the bigger engine.
Oh, look, it's even got cup holders. I pinched my fat leg.
Sorry. Oh yeah, you might actually open the door, then put your seatbelt on, then close it.
Okay, gotcha.
Otherwise, it's a pain in the ass. Even for me. And your first flight's in a little plane.
Is it worse than a big plane?
Usually. Good. Aircraft acceptance, already did all that. Good. Pre-flight inspection, that's fine. Seatbelts latched. Doors are closed. Passenger briefing. Alright, seatbelts. It's a normal seatbelt. If you know how to drive a car and ride a car, they tell you right here. You push it in, it locks, push the red button and it unlocks and it comes off. Air vents. So this airplane has 6 air vents and then a 7th air vent up here. The 6 air vents are right here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then one right here next to your head and one by mine. In the event of an emergency, and then of course this one down here. So to open, you push this button and pull to open. To close it, you push the button and push to close. In the event of emergency, I might ask you to open and close the air vents. So just an FYI, that's how you open and close the air vents.
You just spin them?
Yeah, so these just spin, but this one is push and close. Normally it's the heat one you have to worry about, but we don't have to worry about, we won't be using any heat, so I'm not too worried in that scenario. The fire extinguisher is right here between us and it's currently charged. Just pull up these handles and unlock it. In the event of a fire, I might ask you to point it at the fire and put it out. If there's an electronic fire, I'll ask you to blow it up underneath it here. So procedure is pull the pin, point the nozzle, squeeze the handle, in that order. If you try to squeeze the handle then point, it's not going to work very well. You're going to be covered in fire extinguisher stuff. ELT is right here. It's currently set to armed. In the event that we have a hard landing, it'll automatically activate. So just FYI, that's where it's at.
What does ELT stand for?
Emergency Locator Transmitter.
Gotcha.
So we will, if we're having an emergency, I may ask you to turn that on, especially since I'm on VFR on the way back. I did instrument here, but I'm on VFR on the way back. We'll go ahead and I'll ask you to turn it on. Otherwise, you don't need to touch it. Talking, so during takeoff and landing phases of the flight, which will happen pretty quick because it's only about a 15-minute flight, it'll probably I ask you to keep talking to a minimum. You can talk to me, but if I say like I'm flying or like I don't respond to you, just know that it probably heard you, but I probably am
flying a plane.
I do apologize, I forgot your headset, so you're not gonna be able to talk too much to me because I won't be able to hear much once I get going. Any questions? Cool. Circuit breakers all set. Electrical equipment is off. Avionics switch is off. Cowl flaps are open. Fuel selectors on both. Brakes are set. Throttle open 1/4 of an inch. Mixture idle cutoff. Test arm. Wait for the engine indicating system. I also brought my sunglasses and forgot those, so I'm like...
Do you need this open? Because I'm pretty sure you left it open.
Yeah, that's just the air vent.
Okay.
And you get to see all... This is the fancy plane with the fancy electronics. So oil temp's good. Engine head cylinder's good. That's indicating a discharge. Good. stand by. Battery announce later. Verify on. Yep. Prop area clear. Clear prop. Master switch on. Standby alt master switch on. Beacon on. Fuel pump as required. Don't need it. Magneto switch. Got keys out before. Damn, seatbelt on. I'm gonna sit here and fight, try to get this out. What's behind us?
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561, overflying midfield for runway 05. Miami University.
Feel free to take pictures, do whatever you want on your phone.
That's why I got my phone out.
Magneto switch is positive charge, good. Low voltage is off. Now it's plus 1, 2 on. Test.
Waiting. There we go. Got myself. And feel free, like I said, to open the lights as required. So we got the beacon on. Good. Go ahead and pull it out. Belts are good. Brakes, steering. Take off, left, right.
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561, turning base for runway 05, Miami University.
Brakes are good.
Good. Here we go.
Miami University, out.
I want to fly one of those. I love the CJ3s.
That thing's pretty sweet.
Yeah. Expensive as hell.
C015 remarks, density altitude 1,500.
Dayton, Wright Brothers Airport.
Automated weather observation 1256 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point 12 Celsius. Altimeter 3015. Remarks.
All right, wind's still calm. Sorry, I was listening to the weather. To make sure that the winds are still calm, I'm going to take off on 20. Go. This is my third time flying this plane. It's the big boy plane. Got that big old engine and.
Those are 54. Big rocking this motherfucker.
Miami University, Skyhawk 12 Kilo, turning base, runway 05.
First flight office to 315 Echo November.
Yeah, go ahead.
Maintenance wants to know what your Hobbs time is.
Let's see here, stand by.
Standing by.
Or takeoff checklist. Woo! All right, flight control trims are set. All right, check flight control.
Miami University, Skyhawk 12 Kilo, turning final, runway 0305.
Trim's good, autopilot, we'll check it out. Whoa, borrow, what the hell?
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561 on left, downwind for runway 05, Miami University.
Good. Switch heading. Power, good. Gauge, good. Da-da-da-da-da. Fuel quantity is still good. We're still good.
First flight, Echo November 639er.
Flight instruments are good.
639.2. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Radios, altimeter, radios, all set. CDI soft key if I need it. That's good. Transponder code set. Are good. Mixture rich. Throttle to 18.
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561, turning base for runway 05, Miami University.
Yeah. It's loud, but yeah. Good. Propeller. Pull out. Push in. Manifold goes up. Pull out. Push in. RPM up. Pull out. Push in. No oil. Vacuum indicator is clear. Engine instruments and altimeter. Engine instruments are all good. AM emitter is good. Standby alt 1.
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561 on final for runway 05, Miami University.
Perfect. Model 23. Good. Nothing. 1,000. Good.
Light turned off.
Departure briefing. So we're going to take off runway 20. We're going to head over to Sporties. If we have an emergency on the takeoff roll, I'm going to pull power, apply brakes, get us off the runway if I can. I'll troubleshoot as necessary. Chance we have an issue before I get up to pattern altitude, which sorry, 100 feet. If we have an issue, I'm going to try to find us a place just south of here to land and to pattern altitude. Since winds are currently calm, I'll do a standard turn.
Any questions? Cool.
Is locked, or doors locked, closed.
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561, turning left cross.
Sexy thing. Flaps and trim set. Flaps 10%. It's on, landing strobe. Fired. All right, we're set to go, boy. FYI, I have my headset on, so if I don't hear you, that's why. I apologize again. When we fly up next, if we fly back next Sunday, I'll make sure to grab you a headset.
If you don't talk to me, I'm not going to say anything.
I know.
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561 on left downwind for runway 05, Miami University.
Got everything recording too for you.
Yeah, buddy. I got you.
I don't know the base. No one's coming in. Wright Brothers traffic, Skylane 6167 Lima is taking off 20 will be departing to the south. Wright Brothers traffic.
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561, turning base for runway 05, Miami University.
Your pressures look good, fuel flow's good. Airspeed alive, 55.
And aircraft pulled over on 20 for Mike Golf Yankee. Are you going to need some time, or are you ready to go?
You can go ahead and go by us.
Appreciate it.
Sure.
Miami University, Skyhawk 98561, turning final for runway 05, Miami University.
Ready to climb, flaps up.
Remember Municipal. Here's 255 Tampa Mike, 10 miles to the northeast. Straight in, RNAV 23. Southwest.
Fort Wright Brothers traffic.
UK traffic Scarlet 10 on upwind for runway 9. They'll be departing to the southeast.
Those traffic citations, 767 X-ray Tango, departing runway 20, heading south, Wright Brothers.
We're going to fly a little bit to the east before we go in. I don't want to accidentally cross this this traffic down here, or this airspace down here. Everything looks good still. Back to like a 25 manifold.
Fuel 3 traffic here is 42 Victor Palm is about to cross the 38th Street Bridge for left down 13, Eel Creek.
How you feel?
Southbound traffic,
Service?
158 Tango Sierra, turning left crossing runway 25, Alfonso.
It's still taking in what's going on right now.
Wright Brothers traffic, Simon 165, Delta Charlie, 7 miles.
Sporty's Claremont County Airports. Automated weather observations. 1310 Zulu. Weather. Wind. Calm. Visibility. 10. Clear. Below. 12,000. Temperature. 16 Celsius. Dew point. 13. Altimeter. 3016. Sporty's Claremont County Airports. Automated weather observations. 1310 Zulu. Weather. Wind. Calm. Visibility. 10. Clear. Below. 12,000. Temperature. 16 Celsius. Dew point. 13. Altimeter. 3016.
502 Alpha Foxtrot, 8 bound to the southeast, inbound runway 25, Indy Regional.
And what county 70447 Bravo Golf is turning crosswind situation.
Sporty's Claremont County Airports. Automated weather observations. 1311 Zulu. Weather. Wind. Calm. Visibility. 10.
Weather, wind, calm. Cool, baby.
Indy Regional, Archer 789, Juliet Alpha on the go, runway 25, Regional.
Claremont County Skyhawk 5360, Papa, clear runway 22.
Indy Regional, Archer 789, Juliet Alpha, left 5, Regional.
Regional traffic, Archer 502 Alpha Foxtrot, 5 miles to the southeast, inbound runway 25, regional traffic.
Indy Regional, Archer 789, Juliet Alpha, left downwind 25, Regional.
County traffic, Skyhawk 3660, property check. Yeah. Alright, we're all trimmed up to about 2300. County traffic, Skyhawk 3660, Pop Count 2 check. Area. Here's the traffic, 79, Juliet Alpha, short base, short final 25 regional. Alright, so we're going to be about 500 feet below the interstate and outside of it. So we Indy Regional Archer 502 Alpha Foxtrot, 3 miles to the south. Inbound for runway 25. We'll be entering the left downwind at a 45 regional traffic. Just put on the auto pilot. Okay, 745 Bravo Golf 3 now south of field, going to overfly 2,500, set up for 28 weekend. Wood County traffic, Archer 342 Bravo Golf, departing area to the south, last call, Wood County. Oh yeah, your house, we passed already.
This is 71, that's 48.
Yep. Correct.
Traffic 704, Bravo Golf, reporting the downwind.
Tampa traffic, 121 Uniform Charlie is 4 miles out on the 45, left downwind runway 22, come on.
So we're going 126 knots over the ground. So 1 knot is 1.1 miles an hour. So we're down. We need 145 miles an hour.
I did 167 in my PS.
I could go a little bit faster, but I don't want to push the engine too hard.
Regional traffic, Archer 502 Alpha Foxtrot, left base, runway 25, regional traffic.
Indy Regional Archer 789 Juliet Alpha, left crosswind 25 regional.
Clement County Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, departing runway 22. Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 121 Uniform Charlie, entering left downwind runway 22. Clement. We'll be in touch and go. Regional traffic.
I'm 13 miles out. Good, good. Cow flaps are still open. That's ripped out. Landing lights on. Ridiculous how fast it takes us to get back in a plane versus a that it's like an hour and a half. It's like I don't want to drive an hour and a half like if I can avoid it. Inside airport.
Regional traffic, Cessna 95 Golf, turning left crosswind, and I will be departing to the east on the downwind. Regional.
Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 121 Uniform Charlie, turning left base, runway 22, Clement.
Regional traffic 95 Golf, turning left downwind, regional.
Yeah, user traffic, Archer 79 to Alpha, short base, short final 25 for regional.
Clement County Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, turning left crosswind runway 22, Claremont.
Regional traffic, 95 Golf, departing to the east, regional.
Regional traffic, Archer 502 Alpha Foxtrot, left downwind runway 25, regional traffic. Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, turning left downwind runway 22, Claremont. Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 120 Uniform Charlie is clear runway 22, Claremont.
Clement County traffic, Skyline
6167 Lima is northwest, going to be straight to approach to 22.
Everything looks good, set up. We'll 10 degrees of flap once we're on final.
What kind of traffic start? 924 Lima, Papa radio check.
Hear ya.
How you doing?
Paramount traffic, 955 Foxtrot, turning left base 192, Paramount.
Juliet Alpha, left cross, 25 radio.
Turning final, runway 2, come on.
Left downwind 25, regional.
Paramount traffic, Sky 5315 Echo, radio check. Trap.
Hear ya.
5, regional traffic. Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, turning left to base, runway 22, Clement.
Lima is on 3 mile final, runway 22.
Jack 5315 Echo, comp 2, radio check.
Hear ya. All right, time to not embarrass you. Embarrass myself.
Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, turning final, runway 22, Clement.
Everything is good. Landing lights on. Fuel, trim. All good to land. Feet.
Paramount traffic, 955 Foxtrot, clear runway 22, Paramount.
Anybody else in the pattern? Somebody's taking off though. Cleveland County traffic, Skylane 6167 Lima, 2 mile final.
Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 536 Sierra Papa, clear to the runway. Clement County traffic, Skyhawk 362 Sierra Papa, private runway 22 to the north, come on.
One mile final, runway 22, Cleveland County traffic. Better punch it, boy. Alright, he's off the runway. Speed's good. He's clear of the runway environment.
And Tampa County traffic, strike 176, Mike Echo is 4 miles to the southeast to enter a 45 downwind runway 22, Tampa County traffic.
Nailed it. Full aerodynamic braking.
Sky lane 6167 Lima, roll clear 22. I'm going to traffic sky 924 Lima, Buffalo, departing runway 22, 75 Lima.
Center right.
Tampa County traffic, track 176, Mike Echo is 2 miles out to enter the 45, downwind runway 22, Tampa County traffic.
Tampa County traffic, Charlotte 3620, Pile, reporting the pattern of the north, Irma.
Tampa traffic 9545 Foxtrot, departing runway 22, same pattern, Tampa.
Brakes, throttle to idle.
Tampa County traffic, track 176, Mike Echo is downwind, runway 22, Tampa County traffic.